Can we do the complicated one?
Well, it's up to
Instead.
you. It's up to you, whichever.
37.
You said 37?
Or maybe 39 because there's a 10.
You mean 39, this one?
Yes.
Okay, so let's can expand 39. You'll see very easy. Very easy. So I'm copying it. As long as you remember what I said, everything will be a piece of cake. So, okay, this is my page 10. Perfect. Good. So let's see how many factors we see in the numerator. And remember, this is base 10. We don't write it by convention. So how many factors we have in the numerator first? 1, 2, 3. Is there another way of writing the third factor? The cube root of 1 minus x, we talked about it. We had a similar example a minute ago. Is there another way of writing the cube root of 1 minus x?
1 minus x to the power of 1/3.
Excellent, brilliant, thank you. Grace, thank you. How many factors we have in the denominator? How many factors will have plus in front? How many factors will have minus in front? Anyone? It's okay if you're wrong. What do you think? How many factors will have plus in front and how many factors will have minus in front?
Three of them will be positive and the other two will be negative.
Exactly. So I have log of 10 plus log of x squared plus log of 1 minus x to 1/3. But now I'm here. Minus log 7 minus log x plus 1 squared. So no matter how complicated this looks, it cannot be easier. However, we haven't finished. We also have to apply the power rule. That's why I changed this already into 1 minus x to 1/3. Actually, you did it. So what would be the last step that I have to write for this? And then I can move on to the condensing. Log base 10 of 10. We just discussed that. What is the answer for log base 10 of 10?
1.
Excellent. So that is done. What happens to this 2? Where does it go? By the power rule, goes in front as a factor. 2 log x. Where does 1/3 go?
One-third log and 1 minus x.
Just remember, this is carved in stone. The sum or a difference, carved in stone. Then minus log 7. I don't write minus minus. I just want my students to know that this doesn't end here. If I don't write anything, it may seem like it ends there. So this is the continuation. It's not minus and minus. Okay. And now what do I do with 2? We put it in front like we did with this one, right? Yes, it looked very complicated. Awful. But once I identify the factors and I see 3 at the top, 2 at the bottom, I know exactly what to write. Awesome. Very good pick. Okay, so now let's look at a condensing from 43 through 70. I don't want to hold you over. I'm looking at the time as a token of respect, 3 minutes. So let me choose one. I am going to choose 61. In 61 we have, let me also tell you the page number, just in case, 501. So 61, 3 natural log x plus 5 natural log y minus 6 natural log z. Perfect. I cannot condense before I remove these. Where will they go? All those factors in front of those logs, I have to go where they came from. Where did they come from?
They're the exponents.
Very good, awesome. Ah. Good. How many have a negative in front? How many have positive in front? How many will go to the top? How many will go to the bottom? Anyone would like to give it a try?
X cubed y to the 5th over, is that a z?
Z to the 6th. Sorry about that. My handwriting. Sorry. Yes, brilliant. Thank you. That's it. It's not a big deal as long as you understand that first you have to take care. If there is no number in front, there is nothing I have to take care of. But if there is a number in front, it has to go back where it came from. Has to go back where it came from the power of each quantity. And this is it. When you expand it, of course, these two will be positive, will have positive in front because there are two factors in the numerator, and this one is the only one the denominator will have minus.